You've messed up. You've been wasting time chasing pleasure, avoiding pain. You wake up late, scroll for hours, eat trash, complain, and then wonder why your life feels like it's falling apart. The truth? You don't need more motivation. You need a system, a way to unfuck your life, and it starts right now. Step 1. Cut the poison. Remove the things that are killing you slowly. Endless scrolling, porn, junk food, toxic people. You can't build a palace on rotten foundations. Kill the poison before it kills you. Step 2. Move your body every day. No excuses. Gym, running, push-ups, training, it doesn't matter. A strong body makes a strong mind, and right now you need both. Step 3. Own your mornings. Stop waking up like your life doesn't matter. Start your day before the world wakes up. Train, read, plan your battles. The first hours of the day decide the rest. Step 4. Build your skill and your income. Learn something valuable and practice it daily. A man without skills is a man without power. Stop relying on luck. Start building leverage. Step 5. Embrace discipline over motivation. Discipline is doing what's necessary even when you don't feel like it. Motivation will leave you. Discipline will build you. And finally, step 6. Think like a warrior. Your ancestors didn't cry about being tired. They fought, they built, they protected. That same blood is in you. Use it and subscribe to be unbreakable.